Bro, let me tell you about this guy I know. Let's call him Corey. 26, decent job, scrolling Instagram seeing everyone flexing new phones, designer clothes, weekend trips. He's thinking, I deserve that too.
Honey,
starts using buy now, pay later apps. Klarna, Afterpay, Affirm for everything. New sneakers, gadgets, outfits,
Honey, look what I
even
just
dates.
bought. These new
Feels
gloves are...
like winning at first, no big hit up front. But man, you won't believe how fast those easy payments snowballed into pure shame and stress.
I told
Imagine
you we
buying
needed to
stuff
save
to
more,
look
but you just keep
successful
spending.
and ending up hiding packages from your own girl. If you've ever used Bnpl to keep up, this story's gonna hit hard. Corey's wake-up changed everything. Stick with me. Corey's always been into looking sharp, watches videos on style, follows influencers flexing outfits. But paycheck-to-paycheck life means no big buys. Then he discovers buy now, pay later. For easy payments, no interest. First purchase, $400 sneakers on Klarna. Pays $100 upfront. Feels like nothing. Bro, you know that rush when you get new stuff without the full hit? Corey was hooked. Next, new phone on Affirm. $800 split into 12 payments. Then clothes, hoodies, jeans, jackets. $600 on Afterpay. Imagine telling yourself it's basically free because it's spread out. That's where it started. Posts pics in the new gear. Likes rolling in. Compliments from girls. Friends asking, where'd you get that? You ever bought something to feel better about yourself? Corey was deep in it. Dates ramp up. He's dressing better, suggesting nicer spots. Paying with Bnpl so it doesn't sting now. Girlfriend loves the effort. Thinks he's doing well. He's smiling outside. Stressing inside. Payments adding up. Ever kept a money secret to keep the vibe good? Classic move. Apps push notifications. Buy now, pay later, 0% interest. He's adding more headphones, watch, even gifts. The high is real, feels successful finally. But quietly, the bills are stacking. Months in, reality creeps. First statements hit. $300 due this month, $400 next. Corey's paycheck barely covers rent and basics. Bro, imagine thinking easy payments and then drowning in them. That flip is brutal. Starts juggling, pays minimum on one to cover another. Interest kicks in on late ones. You know that panic checking multiple apps for due dates? Corey lived it daily. New stuff doesn't feel good anymore. Every package reminds him of debt. Hides deliveries. Tells girlfriend gifts from work. Ever lied about money to someone close? Shame building. Dates slow, he's stressed, suggesting anything
When are
that
you going
costs.
to stop lying?
Feels less confident, less provider. Friends flex trips. Corey skips. Says, busy.
sick.
Inside thinking, I can't afford it. You ever let debt make you small? That was Corey. Stops posting outfits, likes don't fix the stress. Confidence dips, work motivation gone. Payments eating 40% of income. Robbing Peter to pay Paul. The keep-up game turned into a trap. He's broke but looks rich on the outside. Shame hits full
I'm
force.
in trouble.
Girlfriend finds hidden
I
statements.
told you we needed to save more, but you
$3,
just keep spending.
$800 total Bnpl debt. Confrontation. Why didn't you tell
When
me?
are you going to stop
Bro,
lying?
imagine your girl finding out you're drowning from flex buys. That humiliation is next level. Corey admits it. Tears, all of it. I wanted to look successful. She's hurt by secrets more than debt. You know that guilt when lies catch up? Rock bottom. Stops hanging out. Can't afford anything. Friends think he's too busy. Ever withdrawn because money shame took over? Corey did. Packages stopped coming. He's scared to buy more, but old payments still crushing. Sleep suffers, checking apps at night, stressing late fees. Work performance slips, distracted, irritable. Feels like fraud everywhere. 1 month, multiple payments bounce, fees pile, credit tanks. Texts me freaking out. I'm buried in Bnpl debt from dumb flexing. The wake-up was brutal. Realizing looking rich made him actually broke and alone. That low point flipped everything. Corey deletes shopping apps, blocks Bnpl sites, cold turkey. Bro, imagine cutting the easy spend button. That's step 1 to freedom. Sits down with girlfriend, full honesty. Shows every statement, owes $3,800. She's supportive. We'll fix it together. You know that relief when secrets are out?
But let's
Corey
prioritize the
felt
credit
it
card
big.
payments first.
Brutal audit lists all payments, cuts non-essentials. Subscriptions, eating out, random stuff. Freeze $400 per month instant. Ever faced the numbers head-on? That's where control starts. Pays highest interest first, knocks $1,000 in months. Side hustle restart. Weekend gigs pulling extra $600. All to debt. Mindset work huge. My worth isn't my outfits. Questions why he needed to look rich. You ever unpacked a belief fed by social media? Corey did, changed everything. No more packages, no more fronting. Starts appreciating what he has. The wake-up was raw, honesty, cuts, grind, but it pulled him out. Rebuild starts steady. Corey pays debt aggressively. $3K gone in months. Builds $1,000 emergency fund first. No more easy buy temptation. Bro, imagine never needing Bnpl again. That security is real. Side income consistent. $800/month banked. Debt zero fast. You ever turned impulse regret into discipline? Corey did. New rule. Wait 60 days. Save cash only. Ask, do I need this? Saves thousands. Dating confidence back. He's honest. I learned from dumb flex debt. Girls respect growth. Friends notice, no more flashy buys, just real talks. Posts cheap hangouts, vibe better. Investments start small, high-yield savings, index funds. Real wealth building. Biggest shift? He defines success his way, peace over appearances. No shame left, just pride in smart choices. The rebuild took time. Debt payoff, habits, patience, but it gave him life back. If Bnpl ever trapped you, know this. One decision stops it. Delete apps, wait rule, build real. Now Corey's 28, debt-free, savings growing, no Bnpl apps in sight. Bro, imagine buying only what you can pay cash for. That freedom hits different. He's confident, dates without flex pressure, hosts friends, future solid. Relationship thriving, girlfriend proud of his growth. Open money talks now. Friends respect the real him more than any outfit ever could. Biggest win? Knows looking rich isn't success. Peace is. Money works for him now. If buy now pay later ever hooked you, listen. It's beatable. Delete apps today, wait 60 days for buys. Save cash first. Corey turned flex debt into real wealth. You can too. Next impulse, pause and choose better. If the story hit, drop a fire below. Tell me your worst Bnpl regret. I read every comment. And if you want more raw stories like this, no fluff, real fixes, straight guy truth, smash subscribe and hit the bell. New ones every week. We're in this together, man. You got this.